Hey, what's up guys, VeryCoolAlan with another video, and today I just want to show you what gaming looks like on the Galaxy Fold. It's actually pretty nice. So I'll show you first on the little tiny screen. All you do is you just open it. It looks exactly like a normal phone, just very small. So I have Grand Theft Auto, San Andreas, but I also have a PSP emulator, which I think I'm going to use that instead because that's a little bit cooler. So it's legal. It was downloaded from the Play Store, so nothing crazy. Also the games, I got them from somewhere, but whatever. So where am I? So I got all PSP games. So I got Ratchet and Clank, and I got the Lego Indiana Jones. So let's just do Ratchet and Clank real quick. It's really easy, and I already have a saved state, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's turning on. I'll open it in a minute just to show you the big screen, but right now I just want to show you what it looks like on a tiny little 4.7-inch screen. It looks really nice. So press the start. It's a little loud, so let me just put the volume down. Load a game. That's fine. Okay, load complete. I really haven't had any lag with these games. This thing handles it like a champ, and it should, right? Because it's the latest and greatest. This game's like 10 plus years old. This phone's brand new. So, right there. Let's see if it... I actually played this game on the PSP when it came out. I would kind of advise to get a controller, a Bluetooth controller, because these buttons do get in the way, even with the big screen. You always want to just be a little bit more immersed. But if you don't want to buy a controller, you can do it. Now that's a little too small, right? So now you can open it, and it'll do this. So all you're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to go back and probably exit. That's what I've had to do. I just exit out of the app, reload it, and that's perfect now. So then you just want to go to your PSP games, same thing again, and then I just load the state. So there you go, see? So now you're bigger, a lot better. Oh, ooh. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, nothing much to it. So there's Ratchet and Clank, Lego Indiana Jones. I'll show you that one. Actually, let me see. Then, oh, there you go. This is Lego Indiana Jones. Let me go ahead and just load where I was earlier, which was probably the beginning. I just started this game. Now, actually, this one runs a little bit smoother, and it's so nice. It's really nice. Like, if you can see the details, it looks really good. Compared to, like, a mobile game, which looks like ass, sorry. This looks really, really good. I don't even know what you're supposed to be doing here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I just got these games so that's why they haven't even been touched that much. Then the next one is, I'll show you Grand Theft Auto. Big, nice display. Oh, there I am. Whoa, 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 sign in failed. Oh yeah, I don't even know my password. lot of glare. But here, let me see if I can put the brightness up, if that even works. Okay, so this one's a little bit better because it's an Android game, so the whole screen, other than this little bezel right here, gets filled up by the game. It looks nice and stretched out. The graphics look, you know, pretty decent for whatever this is. You can use, you know, the touchscreen. You have a lot of room. So try to steal a car. Oh. Obviously, being a flagship phone, the game's gonna run really smooth. Very little hiccups, and it should, right? This game came out like 5 years ago on the platform, so it should be running at the top of its game. The screen looks great, nice, bright, colorful, vibrant. Obviously, it's a Samsung AMOLED screen, so it's gonna look nearly perfect. You know, I haven't had that much issue with the screen right here. I know you're not supposed to put any tough pressure or anything like a nail or a pen or anything, but I've been using it like a normal phone. I haven't been super delicate with it, and you know, I wipe it off every night. No scratches so far. Maybe one micro scratch that was my fault, but other than that, nothing. It's perfect condition still. I don't even have a case on this phone. I didn't get a warranty on this phone because, you know, I never do on any of my phones, and I've only broken one in the past 12 years. So that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and try to die. Okay. And the cool thing about this game is that it vibrates when you're hitting something, when you fall, you get shot. And there you go. Beasted. So that was pretty much it for gaming. Very nice. Dual speakers, one on the bottom and one on the top. So you get that full immersion. The screen's nice and bright. You could always play a game right here on the little tiny screen if you really want to. Or you get these, you know, bezels to grab on really well to it if you want. But yeah, that was pretty much it for gaming. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.